In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put pictures and letters on Canva tutorial. By the end, you will know how to create that bold cutout look, where a photo appears inside each letter of a word, perfect for social posts, thumbnails, posters, and more. First, open Canva and create a new project. Choose a canvas size that fits your goal, like a standard presentation or social media post. The exact size isn't critical for this effect, so pick what makes sense for where you plan to use the design. Once your blank canvas is open, we'll build the effect with special placeholders called frames. Head to the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Frames are containers that automatically crop images to a shape, which is exactly what we need for letters. Scroll down until you see frames or use the search bar and type letter frames. You can also search for specific ones, like letter of frame, to pull them up quickly. These frames come in various styles, so try to choose a consistent look across all the letters in your word to keep the design cohesive. Click to add the letter frames you need and arrange them on the canvas to spell your word. Drag the corners to resize and use Canva's smart guides to align the tops and bottoms so everything looks even. Keep your spacing tight enough to read as a single word, but with a little breathing room between letters so the images inside don't feel crowded. If you are mixing uppercase and lowercase, make sure the frames match your intended style. Now, go to the Uploads tab on the left. Upload your photo if you haven't already. Then select it and simply drag it into a letter frame. Canva will snap the image into that letter automatically. Repeat this for each letter. You can use the same photo across all letters for a cohesive, panoramic feel, or use different areas of the same image in each letter to add variety. To fine-tune the look, double-click the image inside any letter. This opens the image within the frame so you can reposition and scale it. Drag to move the subject into the most visible part of the letter, and use the corner handles to scale. Aim to fill the letter without stretching the image too much. If it starts to look blurry, scale back slightly. Repeat this adjustment for each letter until the composition feels balanced, and the key parts of your photo are clearly visible. That's it. Thanks for watching.